Okay, so now we will see the data loader. So first of all, what is the data loader? Why we need a data loader in Salesforce? Why we need a data loader in Salesforce? Let's suppose I have an object. So in Salesforce, so this is Salesforce object. Now, so far, what we are doing is we are going to the certain object and we are clicking on the new button. When we click on a new button, we are entering the data and clicking on the save button. This is how we are doing it. This is how we are doing it. Now, but for example, there is a 200 records or a 300 records. Client has given 300 records to create in the Salesforce object. Assume that's 300 position records they want us to create. 300 position records they want us to create it. Now 300 records creating one by one is going to take a lot of time. So that's the reason what we will do is we will have a CSV file. We will have a CSV file. CSV file is anybody who doesn't know the CSV file? So CSV file is basically when you open the Excel sheet, right? So let me open the Excel sheet. So when you open this Excel sheet and while saving this, what you can do is, so while saving this, what you can do is dot, you have to give CSV and below save as, you have to use as a CSV comma delimited or CSV UTF-8. We use always CSV UTF-8. Store this file in the CSV format. So that is called as a CSV file. So this CSV file, we will be adding all the 300 records in the Excel sheet. In the CSV file, we will be adding all the 300 records. After adding it, we need to check the header. The header should be matching with field API. Matching with field API. Now this CSV file is in my desktop. CSV file is in my desktop. This is in desktop, local system. Now from the local system, I wanted to move the data to the Salesforce. I wanted to move the records to the Salesforce. So what we will be doing is we will be using a data loader. We will be using a data loader. So using this data loader, you can do data loader. Basically, you can upload this particular information into Salesforce different ways. You can push this data to the Salesforce different ways. One of the way is a data loader. We will see all the different one next session, but today our focus is on the data loader. So you can push this file into the Salesforce different ways you can do it. And one of them is a data loader. So what it will happen, CSV file is placed onto the data loader. That means first data loader is going to get the CSV file. Data loader is going to get the CSV file. But before that, see, this data loader is also on the local system. This is also on the local system. It is not in the Salesforce. Where is the data loader? Data loader is you have installed in the local system. Data loader is installed in the local system. Now, as soon as you click on that icon, data loader, when you open that tool, okay, so the first thing is that you need to enable the connection. You need to enable the connection between the data loader and Salesforce. How you will be doing it? By adding the credentials. So in Salesforce, in data loader, when you click on it, it will ask a user ID, password. In data loader, it will ask the user ID and password, as well as the login URL. Login URL it is going to ask. So in the data loader, it will ask user ID, password, and what is the login URL. So by using this, we can enable the connection. That means we can connect the data loader. We can say the data loader that, okay, this is the Salesforce that you need to connect it. So what it does, it will, okay. So based on that login ID, login URL, user ID, password, the data loader will enable the connection with Salesforce. Once it is enabled the connection, the second step is that it is going to grab the file from the local system. Data loader is going to grab the file from the local system. First, it is going to grab the file from the local system. Once it is grabbed, then it will ask, okay, so basically in the data loader, you can do multiple. You can import. Import is nothing but pushing the data to the Salesforce. Pushing the data to the Salesforce. We have an import. Different options are there. Right now, I'm importing the data to the Salesforce. So I have selected here import and I have connected the Salesforce URL with the data loader. This connection is enabled. The next step is the data loader will push the data, whatever is there from the local system to the Salesforce. It is going to push the data from data loader to Salesforce. So first step is enabling the connection. Second one is it is going to ask which one do you wanted to perform. Do you want to perform import, or do you wanted to perform update, or do you wanted to perform upsert, or do you wanted to perform delete, right? So it is going to ask the option. So select the one of the option. Select option here. Now the third one is provide the local CSV file to provide local CSV file to data loader. And the fourth step is push the data to Salesforce. These are the 4 steps. These are 4 steps. Now, once it is data loader done with pushing the data to the Salesforce, it creates 2 files in your system. It creates 2 files in your system. The first one is success file dot CSV file, and the second one it will create error file. These 2 files are automatically created by the data loader. Now, so data loader is a on-premise tool because we have to download the data loader. We have to download the data loader. So it is a on-premise tool provided by the Salesforce. So Dataloader supports to perform both import and export operations on all the standard custom objects. That means you can perform the Dataloader on any object, whether you can import it or you can export it from the Salesforce. And Dataloader allows to process the maximum of 5 million records. Maximum of 5 million records. So Dataloader accepts only the CSV file. It does not accept any Excel file or a different files, PDF. It does not accept. Only the CSV file is accepted by the Dataloader. And after performing the operation on the record, it will generate the two output files. One is a success file and the second one is error file. So success file is contains the all successfully processed the record information. It will give you that how many records are successfully processed. If there are any error, it will give you the details about the which record it has failed. No, Dataloader requires the installation because this is an on-premise tool. But before installing it, okay, so let's understand where is the Dataloader tool is available. Where is the Dataloader tool is available? So Dataloader tool is available within the Salesforce. Within the Salesforce itself we have. Now where is the Dataloader? There are two options for the Dataloader, Windows and Mac. You can install it for the Windows, you can install it for the Mac. So, but before installing the Dataloader in the local system, we need some prerequisites. The prerequisite is installing the Java Runtime environment, version 19, because the latest JRE is a version 19. Now, is everybody having a system or laptop with you?
Yes, Swapna.
Okay. So first step is we need to install the JRE. How to install it? So open this link. I'll paste this link. Open that link. So ours is Julu. Julu, we are looking for it. Just go down. Okay, here is you see, everybody can see the Java 19. Hold on it. Are you guys able to see the MSI? .msi? Click on this link, the one which I have pasted. Click on the new link that I have pasted. Select here your operating system. If it is a Windows, select the Windows. Click on here, Windows. Operating system is Windows. Done. Archana and Bharati, Mac. If you are a Mac OS, just click on this Mac. And click on this download .msi file. Download the MSI file.
I think JRE, its latest version only, its version, may I know?
You can use 18, 17, that's all good. But in spring 22, there are some updates as came.
Okay. Already I have a JRE. That's
Okay, if you have, that's fine. But
So
whoever is doing it, please get the latest one.
Swapna, I can't see MSI. Where is it?
If you
Can
click on
you
it,
show?
download, there is a two options.
I see only zip, tar, and DMG.
So you clicked on a Mac OS.
Yes.
Okay. So Mac OS, what is yours? It's 86 or
Sorry.
which one out of these two?
The 64. ARM 64-bit V8.
Okay. So go for .gg.
Okay.
And whoever is Windows, go for .msi. Just download it. Once it is downloaded, just double click on the .msi file or .tar file. Let me know once the download is completed. Okay. So once double click on it and then click on a next button, simply do the next and install it. Go ahead and install that. Click on install and then finish it. Click on next button on a custom setup, install, and then install it. And once it is done installation, the last screen is a finish. So just click on a finish. Okay. Akash is completed. How about others? Srinivas is completed. Shailaja is completed.
Now, what the use of JRE importance?
Sorry.
What is the importance of JRE in Dataloader while doing the process?
Because backend, it has to connect it, right? There are a
Yeah.
couple of things to connect the Salesforce. Like a Visual Studio, need to install the Salesforce CLI.
Yeah.
So for the data loader, in order to connect the Salesforce, we need to have a Java running.
Okay. It's a backend process only, Java.
Yeah,
runtime.
backend process.
Swapna, it's a 16th version for my JDK.
Okay, that's fine. Because right now developer tool is 56. So the latest one is 56, which we have.
But 16 it support or not? Maybe.
Yeah, it supports. Okay, so once it is done, the next step is downloading the data loader. Java is done, JRE is done. So for this, downloading the data loader, go to your setup menu in your object, in your Salesforce. So here, go to the setup, right? Go to setup and search for a data loader. Search for your data loader here. So you can see data loader or a data loader.io and click on the data loader. Whoever is created the org latest, they will see the screen like this. Whoever is using the old org, they will be seeing like this. Whoever is created this year, they might see the information like this data loader. Whoever is using the Salesforce org for a long time, they will be seeing like this. So here for the older version, we'll have a data loader for Windows separately, data loader for Mac. Right now, you will see only the download option. And in case if you need any guidance, you can click on here, developer guide. For the older version, we have a separate part here, installation steps for the Windows, installation step for the Mac. So just download this. So based on your, whatever your system is there, Windows or Mac, just click on that. Done. Downloaded.
Here see dataloader.io. That is.
Yeah, so the older version will have a dataloader.io, but latest, whoever is created latest, they will see just a data loader here. So just click on this, what are the dataloader.io or a data loader without IO, just click on that. So you will be
Okay.
able to see the options.
Yes, yes. By using that launch, maybe,
Which one? Sorry.
or dataloader.io. by using launch data loader IO.
Yeah, just click on the dataloader.io. You will see this screen.
Yes, that screen.
And
No, not that screen.
Mhm. So you are seeing the different screen like this, launch dataloader.io.
Yes, yes.
Click on that.
Okay. Then confirm redirect.
Yeah.
Login with Salesforce. Production. I have a custom Salesforce domain.
You are doing it on the dev org, right?
Yeah.
Just say production.
Your domain is in mysalesforce.com.
So here just click on a confirm. It will take you to download.
Yeah. Confirm. Then after it's showing like a different site, different page.
Means
Like login with the Salesforce.
yes, log in it. Otherwise, let me give you the different way to download it. So you have not downloaded so far, right?
No, I did not download.
Okay. So there is another way to download it.
It's a production or maybe sandbox.
It's a production. Whatever you org is there, just give these credentials.
Okay, then login. I have a custom Salesforce domain. I click it.
Even I'm getting the same Swapna dataloader.io. Then it is
Okay.
asking to choose either login or custom login something.
Mhm.
So if I log in, it doesn't allow me to download anything. It just takes me to the other screen.
Okay. Just go to this. I'll just ping you this. Just go to this page. Just go to that page and then click on here developer.salesforce.com tool data loader and just download it based on your Windows. So it will be there in the steps of in the documentation, Salesforce documentation, there you have a URL. So when you click on that URL, you can, based on your system configuration, just download. Done?
Swapna, when it's downloaded,
Mhm.
directly we have to.
Yes, it's a zip file. There is a zip file gets created.
Yes. But it's
Let it be zip file, it is going to create it. So that is the right one.
do you want to open this?
Yeah. So once the zip file is created, so it will be created like this downloader_win.zip file. So
Yes.
just right click on that and select a extract all.
But extracting is also not.
What is happening? Extract is not happening.
Yes.
What is giving when you extract it?
Okay. It says extracted right now.
Okay. So there will be a folder gets created with the same name, but without zip.
No, not it. No, Swapna.
Okay. Can you just hold on? Okay. So done. Extract, everybody is done. Now the next step 2 is double click on that Dataloader_win, the folder, what are the folder that is created, right? So just double click on it. When you double click on it, you can see the folder bin config sample, and then you will see the batch files, icon, Zulu. There is a Zulu, is the example. Somebody asked why we need a Java runtime, right? Because data loader has at the backend logic is on the Zulu. So that's the reason, in order to connect that, we need a JRE. So these all you can see. Now here you see that Windows batch file install.bat. Install.bat. So what you have to do is hold your control key in your system. Hold the control key in your system and then double click on it. Hold the control key in your system and click on the install bat. Hold the control key and double click on this batch file. In case if you are seeing this error, just let me know. Is anybody seeing this error?
Swapna, install, na? It's like install key,
Install.bat.
not that there. Bin meta info samples 32 into 86 4. Util data loader 57.
We have installed only.
Install on.
If you are able to see this, click on a more info. Click on more info and run anyway. Otherwise, simply if you do not want to see this error, just hold the control key in your system and double click on this install.bat file. So there are two batch files are there in your folder. So the one which says that install.bat. So just double click on that. So if you are getting this one, just click on more info, run anyway, because the system doesn't want to run this particular tool by default. So we have to force the system to run it.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
Ma'am, I have stopped at second step, ma'am.
Okay.
After downloading
Did you unzip
Dataloader,
extracted this?
no, ma'am.
Okay. So what you have to do is just right click on this zip file.
Yes, ma'am.
There is an option called extract all.
It shows like other format, ma'am.
Sorry.
It shows like other format, ma'am. Extract didn't visible, ma'am.
Extract you cannot see.
Yes, ma'am.
Share your screen.
Ma'am, is it visible?
Yeah, I can see that. 57. Close this. Okay. So show me your folder, the data loader folder. Okay, open this. Hit enter. Do you want to overwrite? Yes. So you already have a 57 in your system.
No, I don't have one.
It is saying that override. Okay, click on it. Say yes. From where you have installed the data loader? From which location you have installed the data loader?
Ma'am, from the link which you have sent.
Can you open that?
From this one.
No. Open the URL. Open the
Which
URL. Or else go to the Salesforce.
huh?
Yeah. Click on downloads. Oh, you have downloaded from here. Hold on.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so don't download it from there. I'll give you the link. So go to this link that I'm pasting you. Open that link. Scroll down. Wait a minute. Scroll up. More. Yeah, click on that link, data loader link. Download it. Okay. Extract this. Not that one. Delete that. Delete that folder. Close the command prompt. Command prompt, command prompt. Command prompt, close the command prompt. Down in the taskbar, you have a command prompt which is open.
Yeah.
Just close that. Now delete the folder. Okay. Now extract the, that one, click on right click. Again, right click. Extract all. Okay. So open the install. Hold on. What is this? Install anything. Wait a minute. Install anyway. Hit enter. You need to uninstall the previous one.
Yes, ma'am. Same thing happened for me. I used my previous laptop for that. Now I
Okay. So what
have
did you
installed
do?
in my old laptop. I didn't do anything, but I need to do.
Okay.
I need to uninstall the. To install.
But I didn't download anything previously.
Again, click on install. Hold on. Okay, hit enter. Wait. So go to the Sibita Ramesh, whatever the folder is there. C, drive
Which
C,
one?
drive C. C drive, go to the C drive. Go down. Where is your C drive? Okay, do one thing. Go back to the command prompt. Copy that URL, whatever the C:user slash Sibita Ramesh, whatever is there, just copy that. No, just copy till your name, whatever that is there, Sibita Ramesh. Yeah, copy that. Go to the open the folder. Right click on it.
Not right click.
Control C.
Do I have to paste here?
Yeah. Not there, wherever the home is there, home. Right. Remove the home. Single quote, remove the single quote. Okay, data loader. Delete that folder. Not this one, the outside delete data loader folder. Delete this. Okay, now close the command prompt. Again, run the install. Install.batch file in the folder, whatever the data loader folder is there. Hit enter. Okay, go to the folder. Close this command, but close this command. Now here you see the data loader, the first one.
Yes.
Right click. Right click. Is there a shortcut it is showing? Don't run that. Right click on the data loader one, the second icon. Are you using Windows or Mac?
Windows.
Okay.
Ma'am, I think so. The error is only for creating the shortcut. Installation may be done.
Yeah, installation is done. So shortcut, there is
Yes.
another way which we have to create it. So that's what I'm trying to find out. So there is some different way to create a shortcut. See, when you right click on this, there is a create shortcut option is available.
Shortcut is not creating, but if you go in the command prompt and hit data loader, you will see that.
Actually, a display shortcut is pending installation.
In the search button, you can hit the data loader.
Sibita is not getting that option, create a shortcut. So ideally we have a create a shortcut option is there on the dataloader.bat file.
For me also shortcut is not created, ma'am, but I checked in the search button. I mentioned data loader. The data loader is open.
No, what I'm saying is there is another way to create a
Yes.
shortcut.
That option is there. Show more options
Oh, you have a show more options. Okay.
and send to.
Okay. So
Send to.
not this one. The first one on the. No. Wait a second.
We need to pin that shortcut.
Just click on the first one, the bat file. Yeah, show more options. Create a shortcut. You have to change the icon. Okay, I'll give you the steps. So these are the steps that you have to do. If you do these steps, it will resolve. You just need to change the icon there for the first one.
So to change one.
Go to show more options. Or else, okay, why we are wasting? Just click on the third icon directly.
This one.
Yeah, just click on that. Somebody was saying the clicking on that right clicks show more options. I think Srinivas or Rajkumar.
Yeah, ma'am.
I tried, ma'am. That is just a photo. That's it.
I'm saying that just go on second. Close this. Okay. In folder. Dataloader, right click, show more option, and send to. Go on send to create desktop shortcut here. Click on that. And now go to desktop. Yeah, right click on this. Go to properties. Sure. Change
Change icon.
icon. Yeah.
So that's what I was saying on the same thing. There is a change icon option will be there. You need to change the icon there. Below you have option. Click on OK. Choose any Salesforce icon or anything which you have. Anything you can take, that's fine.
Have to apply more.
Yes.
Click on OK. Double click on that. Yeah.
Done.
Manjunath, can you also try this? Somebody else is also getting the issue, right? Creating a short.
Done.
Ma'am, is that over?
That's all. Yeah. So this is the
Thank you
final.
so much.
Yeah.
Thanks. Thanks, Raj.
Welcome.
Okay, so that's all for today. How to use this, we will see later. Whenever the data loader, maybe next Sunday, or we will see how to use this data loader. Today only installation steps. Okay, then thank you all.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.